Hello, my beautiful garden lovers. Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden, your favorite space for all things green and blooming. After 10 amazing years of sharing my passion with all of you, I'm back with another gardening secret that's going to blow your mind. If you're anything like me, you absolutely adore roses and dream of filling your garden with more of them without spending a fortune. Well, your dream is about to come true today. The secret to propagating roses made easy. Forget store-bought rooting hormones or fancy tools. Today, I'm showing you how to propagate roses at home using just 3 simple ingredients from your kitchen: egg yolk, garlic, and aloe vera. Yes, that's all you need. Why these ingredients work like magic. Egg yolk. We're using just the yolk. It's packed with calcium, phosphorus, and protein, which help boost root development and prevent root rot. Add a pinch of salt to the yolk, and you have a natural disinfectant that protects the cutting from infection. Garlic. This common kitchen ingredient is full of antibacterial and antifungal compounds. It keeps your cutting safe from mold and disease. Aloe vera. Aloe is rich in natural enzymes that stimulate root growth, keep the stem moist, and help wounds heal faster. It's gentle and super effective. Let's get propagating, step by step. Step 1. Prepare your rose cuttings. Choose a healthy rose branch. Cut off all the leaves except 1 or 2 at the top. Rub a garlic clove gently on the cut end to disinfect it. Dip the cut end into the egg yolk and salt mixture. Let it soak for a few minutes to absorb nutrients. Step 2. Make your root-stimulating solution. Mint 3 cloves of garlic. Chop up 1 aloe vera leaf. Add both to a cup with 500 milliliters of water. Stir well and cover. Let it sit for 1 hour so all the nutrients can infuse into the water. After an hour, strain the mixture using a clean cloth or fine mesh to collect the liquid. Step 3. Create your planting medium. Add half a cup of clean river sand to your planting cup or pot. Pour a little of the egg yolk mixture into the sand. Fill the rest of the cup with more sand. Moisten the sand with your filtered garlic aloe solution, just enough to keep it damp but not soggy. Insert your rose cutting gently into the center of the cup. Create a mini greenhouse with a plastic cup. To help your cutting root faster, cover the top of your cup with a clear plastic cup turned upside down. This creates a mini greenhouse, locking in humidity and warmth, the perfect conditions for root growth. Place the setup in a cool, bright place with indirect light away from harsh sun. Now, be patient and let nature do the work. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start to see tiny new shoots emerging. That's your sign that roots are forming below. Once the root system is stronger and more established, remove any early flowers on the cutting. This encourages the plant to focus on growing roots and healthy foliage instead of blooms. Too early. Transplanting and long-term care. After 1 to 2 months, when your rose plant is growing steadily, it's time to move it into a new pot. Use a mixture of coconut fiber and garden soil, or any loose, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil lightly moist by spraying it with water daily. If you've trimmed flowers, you can dab a bit of turmeric or cinnamon powder on the cut. Both are natural antiseptics that help it heal fast and prevent infection. And just like that, a new rose bush is born. That's it, garden friends. With just a few ingredients from your kitchen and a touch of patience, you can successfully propagate roses and grow your dream garden. Give it a try. And don't forget to leave a comment and tell me how it worked for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more natural gardening tips that really work. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.